Linear's native Slack integration allows you to create issues from Slack, sync comment threads, receive notifications, and link work seamlessly. Step-by-step setup. Log into Linear. You have to be a workspace admin or owner. Go to Settings. Click your profile icon. Integrations. Select Slack. Click Connect or Add Slack Workspace. You'll be redirected to Slack. Review permissions and click Allow to authorize Linear. After redirecting back to Linear, configure the integration. Map Linear Teams to specific Slack channels. Set up notifications, issue updates, mentions, etc. Enable thread syncing and message actions. Key features. After connection, type at Linear in Slack to create issues quickly. Convert any message into a Linear issue. Get rich previews of Linear issues in Slack. Two-way comment syncing between platforms.